Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DB Tech Link. My name is Anjit Kumar Roy and this is part 2 of Oracle 19c installation on Linux. Please watch my first part before watching this video so that you can understand how to set up your own server for practice, right? So let's start today's video. Friends, I always recommend to follow the Oracle document for Oracle 19 installation on Linux, right? So please go through the document. Just type, let me show you. Just type Oracle 19 installation on Linux in Google, and you will see here Oracle documentation, this one. So you can follow this document, right? So I have prepared all the steps for installation from this document. So this is all steps which I have prepared, right? So we will follow this one. Now in this video, we will see how to install Oracle 19c by following the proper steps which I have created. Uh, so let's start. Uh, First, we will see a space availability and RAM, right? See, in real time, we get separate mount points for Oracle binary and database files as per requirement. Here we have sufficient space in slash. We have given 70 GB at the time of machine creation. So let's check. Login with root. Right. So df space hyphen HP. You will see here 54. We have 54 GB space, right? And free hyphen G, we have 7 GB of RAM and 7 GB of swap space. Swap space we configured at the time of OS installation, right? So we have sufficient space, right, in slash mount point. Now, so let's create one directory mkdir slash u01, and this directory we will use for Oracle Home, right? And of course, we will give proper ownership and permissions. So next step, create required users and groups, right? This is recommended by Oracle, but it's not mandatory. Means you can create a user with your name and install Oracle, except root. Root user from root user you cannot install the Oracle. So you have to create one user. So here we are creating oinstall db oper group and Oracle user, and we will set the password Oracle for Oracle user, right? And giving proper ownership on U01 and permissions, right? So just copy and paste. Now, next is set the secure Linux to permissive and run set enforce permissive, right? So let me change it here, and vi here C Linux in permissive. Am I able to say permissive, right? And Run this command, set force passive, permissive, sorry. Now, next is limits.conf file. So we have to set security relate limits for Oracle user. And here we have soft and hard. Soft means minimum and hard means maximum. Soft, so minimum number of file, maximum number of files, minimum number of process, maximum number of process. So let's open this file, vi etc security security limits dot conf and paste it in bottom. Yes, save it. Now what is next? Next is package installation, right? So install required packages. We will get this list in Oracle document. Let me show you. This is the Oracle documentation, and here in configuring operating system and operating system requirement for x86 64-bit, and here we have installed Oracle Linux 7. So go to this link and you will, in right side you will see, yeah, this is the list, right? So we have to install. So just we have already created yum server, so we can copy and paste this. Okay, so it's done. Package installation is complete. Next is kernel parameter setting, right? So this setting is also recommended by Oracle, like how your Oracle will use OS resource like RAM for SG memory, right? So set this parameter in etc sysctl.conf file. vi etc sysctl.conf file. Paste. Now activate this sysctl space -p. Now next. As we are not using firewall, so we are going to stop this. And disable. Right. Now, so we have completed all required prerequisite, and we have Oracle user. So log into Oracle user and perform installation related activities, right? So log out from root, log in with Oracle user. Oracle is password. Okay. Now, next, we have to copy our Oracle binary to Linux server. So for this, I will use WinSCP, right? Just give host name 192.168.1.201, user Oracle, password, login, right? So we will copy this db home, right? db home file, drag and drop, right side. So this will take 2 minutes. Okay, so it's done. Next, in Oracle 19c, we can unzip the binary in Oracle home directory, right? From 19c, we can do this, and so that during installation, Oracle will just link the binary, right? This reduce the installation time. So just create Oracle home directory. Okay, yes. Okay. Now unzip the software. So unzip and give -d and Oracle home location. Yes, it's done. So go to your home directory. Yes, here is all required uh, directories. Now we have to run the run installer. So dot slash and run installer. Hit enter. Just minimize the terminal. Now, so we are going to set up software only first, right? So as per in real time also we always go for software installation only. We do not create any database in initial stage. So set up software only. Next, single instance database installation. Next, edition. We have two edition, standard and enterprise. So we will install enterprise edition. Next, U01 app Oracle will be your Oracle base. And we have already created Oracle home here. So this is Oracle home. Next, or inventory. Next, next, next. So it will verify the prerequisite. Yes. Now, so it passed the prerequisite and now we can install. So click on install button. So it will take hardly 5 minutes. See, so we have to run two script from root user. So instruction is very clear here. You can see to execute the configuration script, open the terminal, login as root, run the script, return to this window and click OK, right? So open terminal, su space hyphen root 123. In real time, if you don't have any root password, then system admin will help you to run this, right? So copy, paste, copy, paste, just hit enter. That's it. Exit. Now click on OK. Now software installation is complete. Now let's check whether our software is working or not. How we can check that? Uh, Run SQL plus. Now, so you will see command not found, right? So what we have to do next, we have to set some environment variables. In which file? Dot bash underscore profile file, right? So open this file here, ls space hyphen la, and you will see this bash underscore profile. Go to bottom and just paste this. So main variable Oracle base, Oracle home, path. So just save this. Now we have to log out and log in, but we can activate these settings temporarily. Uh, Profile, right now. See here, Oracle base, Oracle home, right? Now we can run SQL plus. See, so SQL plus command is working now, right? So this is our Oracle 19c installation, right? So so it's complete. So please like, share, and subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of my latest videos on Oracle administration, right? Thank you.